Hey drone nerds, Matt here. I have a DJI Matrice M350 with me here, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about thermal payload solutions for this aircraft. The payloads we're going to be talking about today are the DJI Zenmuse H20T, the Zenmuse H30T, and CZI's C30N. Now, all of these are thermal solutions with wide, zoom, and thermal cameras, and are also compatible with the DJI Matrice M300 series as well. Today's focus is on choosing a camera for first responders, search and rescue, inspection, or surveillance. For these use cases, we need a payload that can see things from far away in detail and mark locations with a rangefinder, as well as provide clear imaging during night operations. Starting off with the DJI Zenmuse H20T, this payload can pinpoint locations up to 3,937 feet away. The zoom camera has a 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor for daytime, and the thermal sensor resolution is 640 by 512. Now, what does this mean? It means we can take advantage of the zoom camera to identify things like license plates and conduct surveillance as well as inspections from a distance. During night operations, utilizing the thermal sensor, we have the ability to observe objects with precision. H20T does a great job identifying different heat signatures for search and rescue operations, as well as identify hotspots in a fire, all in one payload. Next, we have CZI's C30N. This payload has the same rangefinder capabilities as the H20T, with a slightly larger zoom camera sensor of 1/1.8 inches and an increased thermal sensor resolution of 1280 by 1024. This means you can position your drone team farther from the scene and still have clear imagery during the day as well as at night. This payload also features a starlight sensor with an IR spotlight, allowing for full-color images in low-light conditions, along with the ability to use both color and thermal imaging during night operations. Moving on to the DJI Zenmuse H30T, with the same zoom and thermal sensor specifications as CZI's C30M. The rangefinder, however, can pinpoint locations up to 9,942 feet, allowing pilots to mark locations at a further distance if needed. And it also features a starlight sensor and IR spotlight for night operations as well. All of these payloads are a great choice for the use cases we mentioned. If you have any questions on any of the payloads we discussed in this video, put those questions down in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to see all of our latest Drone Nerds content. My name is Matt. Happy flying.